All right, so I am noticing that quite a few of you, are having questions on the activities that look like this. So let me help you real quick. I'm going to give you a few pointers. This one says, I haven't gotten a lot of questions on this one, but let me just go over it. It says, which geological feature can be found at position E? So here's position E. I see that position E is on just a line. So I look down at my key. The line represents a transform boundary. So I look at my warm-up that I did. Underneath transform, I have fault and earthquake. So the only features that can be found at E are a fault or an earthquake. The ones that look like this, they have this map and they ask you to type in an answer. You have to type in capital letters with no spaces. So if my answer was E and A, I would put E, A, capital, no spaces. That's not this question, but I just want to give you a heads up. This is the one that most of y'all are asking about. It says, at what location would you find an ocean trench? Hint, drag the words here to the correct locations on the map. So a lot of y'all are having a little trouble knowing where to drag the words here, and I understand it is a little bit misleading. First, you need to decide which boundary trenches form it. Do trenches form it divergent, transform, or convergent? So look at your warm-up. Okay, on your warm-up, you made a trick. It should say CMTV. So trenches, T stands for trench, so they form at convergent boundaries. So we need to find this shape on the map. But do trenches form on continental crust or oceanic crust? It's a trench. It's an ocean trench. So it has to form in the ocean. So we need this boundary in the ocean. So a lot of people in class were trying to choose B. They were dragging the word here to B. But that doesn't work because that's on land. That is a convergent boundary on land. So the only thing forming there is mountains. If it's convergent and it's on land, you're getting mountains. So other hint, you have to drag it to a letter. So a lot of people tried to drag the word here to this guy because it is a convergent boundary in the ocean. So there will be trenches there, but you have to drag it to a letter. So I'm going to do one of them with you and I'm going to let you find out the other one. I'm going to drag this. It doesn't matter which here you put, but I'm going to drag here to letter D because it is a convergent boundary in the ocean. This is actually one where you have oceanic and continental crest. So you're going to get a trench on the line and volcanoes on the land. So I'm going to drag the word here, put it right on the letter. Now you still have to find one more to drag this word here to. One more letter that's convergent and in the ocean. And oops. Let's see if there's any others that y'all needed help with. Make sure that you're writing down the codes. Make sure that you're writing down the codes because you will need them in the end, but you can go back to them. Okay, so which one best describes the motion of the plates at G? Oh, y'all got that. Y'all got that. If it's not on a continent, then it's oceanic crest. And you can see what type of boundary it is. You don't need me on that one. Okay, I'll help you with this one. At what location do you see oceanic crest converging with continental crest? So we want oceanic crest converging with continental crest. We know that our answer is going to be a letter. It says location, so one letter. We want convergent because it says converging. So can we pick this? No, it's oceanic and oceanic crest, so that's not going to work. And it's not a letter. Can we pick G? No, it's oceanic crest, so that's not going to work. Can we pick B? No, it's convergent on land. So you need a letter where it's right by oceanic and continental crest, which I told you this answer earlier in the video. I told you this is oceanic and continental crest. So just go back. If y'all have questions on any other ones, it is easiest for me to help you if you send me a screenshot so I know exactly what you're talking about. So if you have any other questions, send a screenshot and I will respond as quickly as possible and help you with that question.